What's up, YouTube? This is Cooking with Doug, and what you see here is an unboxing of my brand new Aspiron stick vacuum cleaner. You can pause if you want. Let's just take a look so we know all of our parts. And this does have a mount that you can mount to the wall. I'll show you that a little later. We won't be mounting it yet, but that will be in the future. But this machine is pretty straightforward, I'm telling you. And right there is everything you need to know. But let's break it down and show you. Now, I'm no stranger to vacuum cleaners. This is my Shark that I had since probably 2014 or 15, one of them years. Still going strong. Some of you saw this video earlier of my Bristle vacuum / mop. Got one of these iRobots that can be controlled by Echo devices as well. I even have one in my garage right here. This is a vacuum cleaner with a suction and blower on the right side, and that's the hose right there. Alright guys, by the way, this is a motorized brush right here. Easily detaches. You just press this button here and release. I like the swivel. Let's turn it over. Look at that, guys. So this should be good with pet hair, all that stuff. That's great. And this is, I didn't mention it before, but this is under 5 pounds, like 4.5 pounds, I believe. Very lightweight, 250 watts as you saw earlier. Plenty of power there. And remember, this is bagless and wireless. So all you're doing is charging this thing up and using it when you see fit. Now, of course, this little stick vacuum, I mean, this shouldn't, if you have, you know, a 3-bedroom house, right, this shouldn't be your only vacuum. You get a regular vacuum cleaner, and this is just for spot cleanups or just to clean up a particular room or maybe a hallway, you know, stuff like that. But there's other, this stick vacuum is plenty flexible, and I'm going to show you in a couple seconds. Let's continue. In this part, we just detach. Just press the orange and detach it. But the cool thing about this machine is right here. This is, you know, this is the main part with the handle. You can take these attachments and you could just put them on just like so. So you can bring this to your car or bring this wherever, tight spaces. Up in your attic, I don't know. So the possibilities are endless. And this is another attachment. Okay, cool. It's no problem. If I needed the long arm, I could attach those pieces to it very easily. See? Pull it out, put the other one in if I want. Straightforward. I could even do this. Just grab it like that and on a slant and then. So, you know, just endless flexibility with this. Put that piece back on. And we're going to turn it on in a few seconds, guys. Well, before I turn it on fully and demo it, let's take a look at this. Alright, so first off, this is a little trigger, and that turns it on and off. And you can feel air blowing out through there. Now, right here shows you how much battery life you have. So I only have 1 out of 3. And that's fine. That'll be fine for this demonstration. And so right here, guys, you can see the max. So we're not, you know, cleaning your whole house with this. Well, not at least without emptying it a few times. So like I said, this is good for a small room or just little cleanings here and there that you need to do, because this is a lightweight machine and it can get anywhere. And I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. And I forgot to tell you, it also has a light in the front. Yep, it goes right under there. Perfect. What about under this treadmill? Yep, no problem there. Let's make a mess. I got some old popcorn. Get all that up. All right. Okay, I could also use it without an attachment. Primarily, this will be used to clean my steps. Well, AJ will be cleaning my steps, my oldest son. I got 12 steps in total. I'll use the other attachment as well. The one with the brush. Very nice. Does carpet with no problem as well. And remember, guys, we can take this in our car. You have to excuse the lighting. It's a rainy day today, so. This is my trunk area. I got some little crumbs there, so. Did a good job. You know how hard these crumbs come off this material. It kind of sticks on there, so good job. Yep. Let's go inside. Alright. I don't know if you can see the dirt through the red light, but there's some dirt there. And these are vinyl mats, guys. Perfect. No problem. part. That's perfect. Perfecto. And when you're ready to empty everything out, see that in the front? I don't know if you can see it right there, but you just push that and the bottom should drop out. And it's right on time because I need to take out my garbage. Just like that. Well, that's all I got, guys. And big ups to Aspiron for actually sending this out to me to review for you guys. I poked my chest out and asked them to send me out 2 so I can give away one to you guys. And they were like, no. So I tried, guys. It only works with kitchen gadgets. I don't have any pull on other things. But I certainly do appreciate them sending this out to me because I will be using this, you know, on my steps, mostly upstairs, but for small stuff in the kitchen that I need to clean up, as well as my car if need be. I'll leave a link in the description for this, guys. And they have, I think they have like a $30 off coupon. I think it's $160 with a $30 coupon right now, which will bring it to like $130 or something like that. So definitely check it out. This is a lightweight vacuum, guys. Very easy to have in your hand and very flexible. You can get under the couches and all that stuff. And it's got that swivel head, so it's just perfect. So if you're in the market of buying one of these, you know, a vacuum cleaner like this, like I said, this is not going to take over your main vacuum, but it certainly will inspire you to do more cleaning because you could just pick this up. And remember, you can mount this to the wall and you can just pick this up and use it on the go. All right. Well, this is Cooking with Doug. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you like it. Remember to subscribe. And if anything, thanks for just even looking at my video, y'all. Catch you on the next one.